welcome to my channel. My name is Susan. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my facial spa at home. I usually go to Elemis facial spa in London Stratford to get my facials done, but because most people are at home now and the shops are closed, I have to get my face done. So I haven't done my facial in a long while now, and looking at my face, see I got some spots, facial hairs which I need to get rid of, and yeah, I just need some pampering, self-care. I'm gonna start off first by cleaning my face. So I will be cleaning my face with the Garnier Micellar cleansing water, this one. This is for the combination and sensitive skin. I haven't got much makeup on my face, but my face is not very clean, as you could see. So I'm gonna go in with Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. That's what it looks like, and I'm gonna take a little bit, just dab it on my face. Then massage it into my skin. Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm has anti-aging properties which helps to nourish and smooth the skin for a glowing complexion. Washing my face off with this face cloth. So I'm gonna go now and steam my face so I could squeeze out all these spots and then pluck out all these hairs and then shave the facial hairs as well. See you in a bit, don't go anywhere. Facial steaming helps in penetration of active treatments by unclogging pores and enables easy extraction of blackheads. My skin is prone to adult acne and pimples. I am trying to squeeze out the spots, but cotton buds are not the best tools, as you can see. Additionally, it's a bit painful squeezing these out because I've got a sensitive face. I'm going to try as much as I can to get them out, to get the spots out. You can see I have some black hairs on my chin and my upper lips. So I am using a tweezer to pluck out the chin hairs, and later on you will see me shave. This mask helps in providing a clear complexion, leaving the skin refreshed with deeply cleansed pores. I'm going to try and get this off. This gentle rose exfoliator enables one to have radiant soft skin and acts as a smoothing skin polish. Skin feels polished, giving you a happy dance. Washing my face, getting it ready for the next treatment. I love this eye gel. It contains hyaluronic acid, leaving my eye areas smooth and moisturized. My favorite. This lavender mask is ideal for my sensitive, blemish-prone skin. So, I am just using my wet face cloth to wipe off the mask after 10 minutes. The Balancing Lavender Toner is a gentle toner which helps rebalance the skin's pH without harsh agents like alcohol. So, this is one of my favorite toners. The Pro Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30 is one of my all-time favorites. This is a great anti-aging cream. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst keeping the skin firm and moisturized. This is a reviving eye cream which reduces the appearance of under eye dark circles, and I've used it for years. Scrubbing with a lip mask to make my lips smooth.
Vogue.
Strike a pose.